I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and confirming paper size and orientation. This sets the measurement system you'll use. Once done, enable the ruler and margin guides so you can see live changes. Make a quick backup copy to avoid losing formatting. Now set the default units inches or cm and identify the current margin values for top, bottom, left, and right. Write them down so changes are reversible. This prepares you to adjust margins precisely without guesswork. You'll now change margins using numeric inputs for precision and the ruler for visual confirmation. Open Page Setup or Layout, type new values for top, bottom, left, and right, and choose whether to apply to the whole document or just this section. Once done, use the ruler to drag the margin markers a ½ inch or exact amount to fine-tune spacing. If headers or footers shift, adjust their positions separately to maintain consistent text flow and alignment. Finish by previewing the document in Print Preview so you see how margins interact with printable area and any bleed. Make any small tweaks, move margins in 0. 1 increments if content is tight. Once satisfied, save a new version. If layout breaks, restore the backup and reapply changes more conservatively. This rollback is your fastest fix. One key troubleshooting tip. If text shifts unpredictably, inspect paragraph indents and spacing. Reset them to 0 to eliminate hidden offset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.